So welcome back, guys. This is Madhav PVL, and now we are going to discuss about this arithmetic and logical unit. So arithmetic and logical unit will be present in this central processing unit. So what is the use of arithmetic and logical unit? So with the help of arithmetic and logical unit, we can just perform both the arithmetic operations and logical operations. So it plays a crucial role in the life of a CPU. So if we just get the input and then it will just go to the control unit, and again it will just go to this ALU and perform the operations which are required. So consider an ALU which can perform 4 arithmetic operations and 4 logical operations. To distinguish between the arithmetic and logical operations, we may use a single line. So 0 in that signal represents the arithmetic operation, and 1 in that signal represents the logical operation. So 000 and 001 010 011. So basically we can write this in whatever way we require. So in whatever way we want, we can just write this table. This doesn't make any sense. So arithmetic and logical unit is nothing but it will just control, it will have some logic gates, that is OR gate, NOR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, XOR gate, XNOR, buffer NOT. So we will just discuss this in our before classes, that is in our +1 and +2. In our intermediate stages, we will learn about this logic gates and symbols. So basically these are the truth tables which are required. So I think for NOT gate, that is so I just discussed it about this in some previous videos, I think so. So learning logic gates is not required now, I think. So the block diagram of ALU is nothing but, so if we just consider operational decoder, so control lines. So control lines is we get the output through this control lines. So the control lines decides which work need to be done now. So we will have a 3 control lines. So from these 3 control lines, we will just receive some operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So the block diagram of ALU will be like this. So this is operation decoder. Operation decoder is nothing but the whole process in a ALU will be done with the help of this machine language. So the input, output, and all the data which we will send through these things will not be appeared to us. So the if we need to just perform this addition, then control line gives the signal of 0, and if we need to perform the operation of subtraction, the control line gives the signal 1, and then for multiplication it will give 2, and for remaining it is as like that. So A and B are the inputs and C will be the output. So this is the basic block diagram of a ALU. So this is the design for ALU. So this is a 1-bit ALU. So these 3 are inputs and these 2 are control lines. So 1-bit ALU is nothing but, so in this way it will just work on this. So multiplexer, so MUX is multiplexer. So it is just performing 4 operations, and with the help of this control lines, these 4 operations will be decided. So if we need to just get the result of this one, then F0 produces the result of 1. For 2 it produces 2 3. So here we will just give some instructions, and then control unit will just control these things, and it will just produce the outputs in whatever way it is required. So this diagram is not much required, we can just remember this one diagram, it is very much important. And then the functions of the ALU, or it can just perform all the logical and arithmetic operations. If we can just remember some of these operations, we can just write this on our own, like so a plus a plus b, a minus b. So we can just perform some arithmetic operations, and we can just write it like a table. So these are some of the arithmetic and logical units. So this is an 8-bit ALU. So it is performing 4 operations, and this is just giving one output, and then this is the function code, and 16-bit ALU and 4-bit ALU. So in this way, the ALU whole process will just work on. So that is about arithmetic and logical unit. So if we just remember this diagram and this diagram, so these 2 diagrams will play a crucial role in remembering this whole thing. So this is overall about ALU. Thank you for listening, guys.